Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to all my students, all the concerned people of AKB. You know very well the days of examination are not sufficient, and students nowadays are preparing themselves for examinations. So this video will be supportive and helpful to all of you, inshallah. So today we will understand how to solve the chapters or how to solve the section of Mawzuati Mutalla in AKB. Okay, this video is related to grade 10M. Okay, and will be supportive to all the students of grade 10M. Okay, so the first chapter is Introduction to Quran. There are three types of questions in the descriptive part of AKB: knowledge based questions, understanding based questions, and application based questions. So try to understand the difference between these parts: knowledge, understanding, and application. In the part of knowledge, I mean K, examiner can ask any question regarding the definition, regarding the concept, regarding the idea of any word or any part, any word or any theme, right? For example, if examination asks what is meant by the knowledge, so this is knowledge based question. If examiner asks what is meant by Quran, what is meant by Hadith, this is the knowledge based question, because examiner is asking about your memorization. In understanding based question, understanding means you, uh, in this question, which are based on understanding, you will comprehend your knowledge, you will more explain your knowledge. Okay, examiner can ask how did, why did, right? And in third part, application based questions, examiner can ask how to use the knowledge and understanding to solve any problem. Okay, so in this part, Introduction to Quran, in this document, there is SLO number 5.1.1. Describe the features of Makki and Madani Surah. Features means examiner is asking about the characteristics, about the attributes, and you can say distinctive elements of the Quran. Okay, so you can explain the answer according to the measures of CRQs. Okay, in the CRQs, and keep in mind, bear in mind, there are 100 to 150 words in CRQs, constructive response questions. Okay, so CRQs contains at least 100 words answer or maximum 150 word answer. So I have said all these answers according to this criteria. So describe the features of Makki and Madani Surah. You can see in this document the Quranic chapters are divided into two categories: Makki Surah and Madani Surah. I have explained all these things: the number of Makki chapters in the Quran, the number of Madani chapters in the Quran, and the definition of Makki and Madani Surah, and differences of Makki and Madani Surah in the Quran. You can see the complete paragraph. If you want to take this document, so you can see the description of my channel, inshallah. You can get the PDF file from the description. I will share the link, inshallah, in a while. The question number two, 5.1.2, describe what is meant by Tartib Tawqifi. Tartib means order, arrangement, sequence. Tawqifi, which is by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay. So in this document is also set according to the measures and benchmark of AKB in CRQs. Okay. You can also understand the Tartib Tawqifi, which refers to the chronological orders. You know, there are different types of orders. Chronological order mean the orders of events, the sequence of events or stories. So this is the historical event and circumstances. Okay, revelations revealed from the cave of Hira. Okay, the first revelation until Surah Nas. So these all arrangement are included in Tartib Tawqifi, and now the arrangement of Quran is Tartib Nazmi. You can understand easily after seeing this answer. Okay. Question number third, prove that the Holy Quran is the last book. This is application based. It means you know very well about the revelation of the Quran. You know very well the Quran as the last book. You understand the Quran is the last divine order. Okay, so how can you prove? So this is the application based question. So answer should be in application style. Uh, See this document. The Holy Quran is the last book of Allah Ta'ala revealed to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Its finality is evident from these all verses have been shared. So these are the evidence and proof. Okay, you will prove the Quran is the last divine revelation. Okay, and in the last, in application based questions, you can also explain the conclusion in the last like this: these verses along with the Quran's wisdom, coherence and miraculous nature establish its status as the ultimate guidance for humanity. Okay, and the last part 5.1.4 explain the preservation of the Quran with reference to its verses. Okay, so in this question examiner is asking about the preservation of the Quran. Explain means understanding. So examiner want to check your understanding level. Examiner want to check your comprehensive level. Okay, so see this answer, I have added two verses. Okay, to prove the preservation of the Quran, right? So in this style, in this mode, you can answer the questions of AKB in the Islamic paper. So, if you have any ambiguity, any query, so must ask me. I have shared my contact number, WhatsApp link, Instagram link, Facebook link in the description. You can see my description, and I will remove your all confusions, all problems, inshallah. So, hope this video was beneficial to you, was advantageous to you. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum.